So we're thinking about doing some beautiful veneers, and you know, I think it's a very important subject. And oh my goodness, we have guests. Hello, friends. How are you? Welcome here to the Los Angeles Institute in our dental office, and we want to make an invitation for you to come and on June 28th and 29th attend our two-day hands-on workshop on porcelain veneers. This is a fun and very full course where we talk about psychology, we talk about smile design, materials, adhesion, prep design for all kinds of different situations, and also how to make sure that they are successful and they don't break. So I really would love to see you there. This is one of our most popular courses. So see you then, and let's keep talking about those porcelain veneers.